I'm going to do today is work on the raised beds. Let me show you what I got and the plan for today. Cattle panels. They're up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down cardboard right here. I'm going to put some wood chips in there, and then I'm going to put compost on there on all 4 beds. So these are cattle panels, 4 foot by 16 foot. And what I did is I just put them inside and stapled them in. And I put this piece of wood up here, this 2x4, this block of wood, to help with the wind, to help as a brace. So I did that in certain areas. I've got to get more staples, because as you can tell, that one needs a staple. Right now they're zip tied. I'm going to come back with hog rings and also hog ring them together. I think that'll help as well. You see right here, got a hog ring here, that'll help hold. The plan is to put cucumbers, pole beans, so they will grow up and over. All right, I'm 6'1", and I can walk in here, touch it. Now my wife is 5 foot something, and she can still reach this. I think she will be able to reach it as it grows down. All right, so you can see my rebar. I got one there and there, but I put a cross brace. Of course, I'm using scrap, so I'm just grabbing scrap. That one right there, I screwed to the board, screwed this to that board, and then screwed in from the opposite side this way. Sorry for the wind, it is very windy, so this will probably dry out. I'll spread this out and I'll put wood chips over top of it. But I've seen something when I was spreading the compost out, and I want to see if I can show you. So there it is. There he is. Look how big he is. I have that and a lot of other worms in here as well. This side from here is wood chips. That's my compost. So I mix my compost. Of course, I use in my compost pile sawdust in the drop pans. Then I take that and I take it out here to the pile, and I mix wood chips with it and straw with it. And in springtime, I use it. So basically, I have a pile sitting for a whole year. Probably a little bit more than a year. Alrighty guys, there it is. So it's cardboard, layer of wood chips, compost, and then another layer of wood chips on top of that. Now, had some extra, put too much wood chips in there, so eventually this will all be wood chips, okay? Sort of a walkway, and the walkway will go all the way around. Same as here. Walkway and all this will be wood chips. So, now I have to go clean out a brooder, feed and water, check baby bunnies, because we do have baby bunnies, and get cleaned up, and then get myself something to eat.